Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Today we're checking out this SUPERUS adjustable VR head strap for your MetaQuest 3 headset. I'm going to unbox it, I will show you how to assemble it, and I'll show you what it looks like on. Let's jump right into this one. Alright, here's the box that it came in. SUPERUS adjustable VR head strap. We got the instructions there as well. Let's open this one up. Alright, looks like we got the top strap. That'll go across the top of your head. We have the actual head strap, which I'll take out of that bag in just a second. And we actually have a little carrying case bag there as well. Kind of nice. Alright, so taking this out of the bag, you can see that the arms are folded backwards. You can fold those forwards. They're nice and flexible and adjustable. We got our nice thick back padding there, and we have our knob on the back for adjusting as well. So to install this, it shows on the package there how to install it. First we want to take off our facial interface just by giving it a nice little pinch. Set that off to the side. We're going to take our top strap here. I'm going to take the rounded part. We're going to push that underneath of our head strap here. And I'm just going to put that partially up. That can always be adjusted later if you need to, depending on your head size. I'm going to take this facial interface back again. Push that into place. You could hear it click in there. I'm now going to take the head strap and I'm just going to put in each of the sides. So I'm going to start at the back, put it into place, and then just move my hand forward to the front and you'll hear it click right into place. Do the same on this side. Line up the back here. Clicks right into place. Now you can take the other end of this strap. Maybe you might want to adjust it with the knob first. Push down that back padding a little bit, and you can feed this through that back portion there. And again, this I'm just going to put partially up, and I will adjust that once I actually place it on my head. That's your basic installation there. I'm going to show it on my head and make some adjustments, and we'll go from there. Alright, so here it is. You can adjust it with our little knob there, as I showed you before. Tilt this up. Makes for easy adjusting. We'll tighten that up here. And then once that's on there, you can take this bottom strap and just tighten that or loosen that as much as you need. Very easy to adjust there. So you can see it on. Nice thick padding at the back here. Easy to adjust up and down with those hinges. Much more comfortable than the stock strap. Easy to take off as you have the hinges and that back knob there. So thank you for watching this one. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. We'll see you next time here on Brian Sloan Artist.